Have you ever wondered how safe your digital world really is? In this era of rapid digital transformation, our lives are increasingly interwoven with the World Wide Web. From online banking to social media, digital platforms have become integral parts of our daily routines. But as we navigate this interconnected world, we must also confront the growing threats that lurk beneath its surface. Cyber threats, once a topic for tech enthusiasts, have now become a global concern. Every second, countless data breaches occur, and they're not just targeting big corporations, individuals, small businesses, even governments. No one is immune. Cyber criminals, armed with sophisticated hacking tools, are constantly on the prowl, looking to exploit vulnerabilities and steal sensitive data. But it's not all doom and gloom. Just as there are those who use their skills to cause harm, there are also those who use their abilities to protect. These are the ethical hackers, the digital defenders of our time. They are the ones who stand between us and the cyber threats, using the same tools as the attackers, but with a different intention: to secure, not to exploit. Ethical hackers are the unsung heroes of the digital world. They delve into the depths of the internet, seeking out vulnerabilities and patching them before they can be exploited. They test the security of web applications, simulate cyber attacks, and help organizations safeguard their digital assets. They are the first line of defense in this ongoing cyber warfare, and their role is becoming ever more crucial. In the world of ethical hacking, tools are of paramount importance. One such tool that has emerged as a game changer is Spike_Chunked. Designed to assess the security of web applications, it's an invaluable asset in the arsenal of ethical hackers, helping them safeguard our digital world from threats. So, as we continue to embrace this digital age, remember, cybersecurity is not just a buzzword, it's a necessity. It's the shield that protects our digital lives from unseen enemies. And at the heart of this shield are the ethical hackers, using tools like Spike_Chunked to keep us safe. With the rise of digital threats, the role of ethical hackers has never been more critical. Meet Spike_Chunked, a powerful ally for ethical hackers. In the realm of cybersecurity, this tool has carved out a niche for itself, earning the respect and trust of professionals across the globe. But what is Spike_Chunked? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating tool. Spike_Chunked is a versatile penetration testing tool, a virtual Swiss Army knife for ethical hackers. It's designed to generate unique payloads, test for potential vulnerabilities, and assess the security of web applications. But it doesn't stop there. This tool goes the extra mile, offering a comprehensive security assessment that includes testing for SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and other common web application vulnerabilities. The power of Spike_Chunked lies not just in its functionality, but in its application as well. Ethical hackers, the good guys in the world of cybersecurity, utilize this tool to simulate real-world cyber attacks. This allows them to identify and patch potential security flaws before they can be exploited by less scrupulous individuals. You see, Spike_Chunked isn't just a tool, it's a weapon in the ongoing battle against cyber threats. A weapon that is used responsibly and ethically to safeguard sensitive data and strengthen security systems. What sets Spike_Chunked apart is its dedication to ethical hacking. Unlike those who exploit vulnerabilities for personal gain, ethical hackers use this tool with the explicit goal of improving security. It's about more than just finding vulnerabilities, it's about empowering organizations to protect themselves from cyber threats. By using tools like Spike_Chunked responsibly, we can help strengthen the digital defenses of businesses and individuals alike. So, whether you're an established cybersecurity professional or an aspiring ethical hacker, Spike_Chunked is a tool worth exploring. It's a testament to the power of ethical hacking and a reminder of the importance of cybersecurity. Spike_Chunked is a versatile tool that enables ethical hackers to better protect our digital world. Remember, in the fight against cyber threats, knowledge is power, and tools like Spike_Chunked are the weapons we wield. Stay vigilant, stay ethical, and together we can build a safer digital world. Now, let's dive into how to use the spike generic underscore chunked tool. Spike generic underscore chunked is a highly flexible tool that can be tailored to meet the unique needs of every ethical hacker. To start, you'll need to install the tool on your system. Head over to the official website and download the latest version. Once you have successfully installed it, you can begin using it to test for vulnerabilities in web applications. Let's begin with the basics. Open your terminal and type in spike generic underscore chunked. This will launch the tool. The interface is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to make penetration testing simpler and more efficient. Now let's explore some of the key features of spike generic underscore chunked. One of the most powerful capabilities of this tool is its ability to generate custom payloads. This is done by using the gen underscore payload command followed by the type of payload you wish to create. Whether it's SQL injection, cross-site scripting, or something else, spike generic underscore chunked can create a payload to test for it. Next, we have the test underscore server feature. This allows you to test the security of a specific web server. To use this feature, you'll need to input the test underscore server command followed by the IP address or URL of the server you wish to test. Another crucial feature is the test underscore app command. This allows you to test the security of a specific web application. Just like the test underscore server command, you'll need to input the test underscore app command followed by the URL of the application you wish to test. One of the things that makes spike generic underscore chunked stand out is its auto underscore patch feature. This function automatically patches any vulnerabilities it finds, making it an excellent tool for organizations looking to improve their cybersecurity quickly and efficiently. Now, let's talk about how to use these features effectively. It's essential to approach each test with a clear plan in mind. What are you looking to achieve? What vulnerabilities are you testing for? By having a defined strategy, you can make the most of spike generic chunk's features and ensure you're conducting comprehensive and effective penetration tests. Remember, ethical hacking is not about causing harm, but about identifying and addressing vulnerabilities. With spike generic underscore chunked, you can simulate real-world cyber attacks in a controlled environment, helping organizations understand their weaknesses and take steps to improve their security. As you continue to use spike generic underscore chunked, you'll discover more of its features and learn how to tailor them to your needs. It's a versatile tool, and with practice, you can leverage it to conduct in-depth security assessments and help build a safer digital world. Finally, always remember to use spike generic underscore chunked and all other ethical hacking tools responsibly. The goal of ethical hacking is to improve security, not to exploit vulnerabilities for personal gain. As ethical hackers, we have a responsibility to use our skills to help, not harm. With spike generic underscore chunked, ethical hackers can identify and address vulnerabilities more efficiently. With its wide range of features and user-friendly interface, spike generic underscore chunked is a powerful addition to any ethical hacker's toolkit. So go ahead, give it a try and see for yourself how it can enhance your ethical hacking efforts. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical hacking isn't just about uncovering vulnerabilities. It's about using that knowledge responsibly to improve cybersecurity. Spike generic underscore chunked is not a tool for malicious intent, but a weapon for defenders. It's a vital instrument for ethical hackers, entrusted with the task of safeguarding our digital landscape from threats. The beauty of spike generic underscore chunked lies in its ethical application. It's not about exploiting the weak spots for personal gains, but rather identifying those gaps and fortifying them against cyber attacks. Ethical hackers, like knights of the digital realm, use this tool with the explicit aim of strengthening security and protecting sensitive data. Spike generic underscore chunked aids ethical hackers in conducting comprehensive security assessments, simulating real-world cyber attacks to help organizations patch potential security flaws. It's about empowering these organizations to protect themselves against cyber threats. Ethical hackers are the guardians of our digital world, using tools like spike generic underscore chunked to keep it safe. Want to join the ranks of these digital defenders? There's never been a better time to delve into the world of ethical hacking. With tools like spike_generic_chunked, you can arm yourself with the knowledge and skills to protect not just your own digital space, but those of organizations and individuals who may not have the resources to do so. Don't know where to start? Visit bp-coding.com, a treasure trove of resources on ethical hacking and cybersecurity best practices. There, you'll find comprehensive guides on how to use spike_generic_chunked and a host of other penetration testing tools. You'll also discover a community of like-minded individuals who share your passion for cybersecurity. Remember, the digital world is only as safe as we make it. By educating ourselves and taking proactive steps, we can help prevent cyber attacks and safeguard sensitive data. By learning about ethical hacking and tools like spike_generic_chunked, you too can contribute to a safe